Okay. Wow. We have a new interface when they start the recording. Okay. So here we go. Remember last week during our lecture class, I do like showing you how to convert from the pseudocode into the program. Okay, so we create a variable that time. We create a variable. So why we use the variable? So we use the variables to store the data or any value that we receive or entered by the user. Okay. The use of variable is more applicable, is more practical. We can say that using a variables, okay, your program will works like nicely and do not have any issue. Why I say like that? Okay, you just imagine you ask user to enter 3 numbers. Remember last week when we do the enter the 3 numbers, this one, you don't have to open because I just want, this one is just like we call back what we have learned last week. Okay, 3 numbers. Okay. Okay. So just imagine when you ask the user to enter the 3 numbers without store them in a variable. So the answer will be only the answer. Just imagine how you want to call the answer plus answer divide by 3. Don't you think that your program will have a conflict or confuse on your own script? That's why if you after this if you look at me how I will write the code or the script, I will always use a variables, because using a variables we can avoid our program have a conflict or confuse on our own script. And if you didn't have the variable but you have the answer, then you just put the answer plus answer. Which answer they want to get? Is it this one? Is it this second one or the third one? Computer will, the program or the computer will confuse. So guys, avoid something like that. Whenever you ask a question from the user, look, if you will use the value that you get from the user, then create a variable. Okay, create a variable, please. Okay, so let me start with a new one. Okay, so today, by using a variable, we want to create a very simple, simple tutorial program where we want to store the health of our 2 sprite. So we say these 2 sprite will be manually touched by us using a mouse. Okay, when they touch each other, they will, one sprite will increasing their health, another one will decreasing their health. So we like maybe another one will be harmed by the other sprite, then the other sprite will be very powerful. Okay, so first delete your sprite. We don't want to use this. Sorry, we need to have this before we change. Sorry. Okay, I forget. This is not BYOB or Scratch. This is Snap. So we need to go to the costume first. I forget about it. Okay. Okay. So do not delete. Do not delete your sprite. Okay. Go to your costume. Go to your file and find a costume. Okay, I will use a dino. A cute dino, which is this one. Oh, okay. So if too big, then you can, okay, you can make it smaller. You know how to make it smaller. Go to looks. You can set the size. Okay, but I don't want to do that yet. Okay. Then I will have another sprite. Second sprite. Okay, second sprite will be someone or a sprite that look fierce. Okay, this one is cute. Okay, another sprite will be look fierce. We were afraid while we looking at the sprite. So you can choose any sprite. If you want to use bad, also can. Okay. If you want to use crab, no lah, not crab. If you want to use this Dino 2A, Dino 2B, okay, can. But I would like to use dragon. Okay, I will use dragon 1B. Okay, okay. So this is how they will, okay, look like. So you can make like your okay, your dino want to run away from the dragon. Okay. Hey, thank you, Wehwan. Thank you, Hassan. How come you didn't know? What is the link of the snap? This is not your third week, am I right, guys? If I'm not mistaken, today is our like week 3. How come you didn't know the link? You didn't even come to the class since week 1? Okay, done? Done, eh? Everyone done, eh? So let's proceed. Okay, now go to your sprite 1 dino. You can rename them. Okay, you can use also other sprite. If you don't want to follow my sprite, you don't have to follow. You can also use a different sprite. But one must be cutest, okay? Cutest sprite. And another one will be a fiercing sprite, okay? So I will rename. Done. Others done. Okay, so we start with Dino. But before that, we will create a variables, two variables, make a variable using a global variables, okay? Not the local variables, as we may use the variables from the other sprite. So use a global variables, okay? So when we use global variables, that means other sprite also can use the same variables. Eh? So let we name them. First one, I will name it as dino help. Okay, for all sprite. For all sprite. Second variable will be dragon help for all sprite. That's all. Two variables. Done.
Done, Miss.
Okay. So then done, make a variable. So then go to control. I will use when a green flag click. Then for dino, because this is dino, make sure it's dino, set dino health into 5. Why into 5? Because remember I mentioned one sprite will decrease the health, another sprite, okay, while another sprite will increase the health. So we choose dino health to be decreased. So let's say dino only have 5 health, okay. So after dragon touch dino, then dino will become decreasing the health until 0. Then until 0, dino was dead. Okay. So we put first set dino health to 5 and forever if we have two if. Okay. Forever if dino touching, go to sensing, if dino touching dragon. So click at the drop down arrow, choose dragon. If touching dragon, dino health will be changed. Change dino health by -1. Okay. By -1. By -1 means they will -1. Every time dragon touch dino, they will -1. So from 5, dragon touch dino, it will be -1. Okay, it becomes 4. And then dragon touch again or dino touch dragon again, then they will minus another 1. Then they become 3. And then they touch again, they become 2. They will repeatedly if they touch. Okay? Clear? Clear, guys? Okay. So now, okay, the second if, we want to say if the dino have less than 1. Less than 1 means 0. It becomes 0, so dino will say, oh, I'm dead. Game over. Something like that. Okay, so we bring dino help variables here into the area, to the column here. So dino help will be less than 0, less than 1. Okay, less than 1. So they will say, oh, I'm dead. Okay, and then over. Okay, so we will say game over. Okay, so do you want to say something or to play sound while the dino has touching the dragon? Do you want to play sound or do you want to okay? Do you want to say something you can have inside here? So like me, I like to play a sound. But as we know, we don't have like more choices in the file sound. So we don't have the sound of ouch. So what you can do is you guys can record your own sound by click the record a new sound. Click the record button and start saying the sound effect. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, and it's recorded so that we will heard okay after that. So you can play. You can play. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay. So they will record. Then you guys can just save. But for me, I will cancel because we have that okay something. So we want to record again. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, so we can ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, then save. When you save, this is the recording. So you can use the sound. So you can use the sound, you can play the sound, you put here. Okay, recording. Not okay. If you want to look, you can click the green flag, click and you can touch. Ouch! 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 Then game over. Our sound is okay. Game over. Because forever, they will forever say I'm dead, game over. This one, I didn't do it automatically. So your sprite, you are the one who bring your sprite to touch the dragon. Okay? So we record, yes, Vivin, we record. And now we go to the dragon. Can we go to the dragon or you didn't finish yet? You still doing the dino script. Guys? Guys? Done? Okay, Zian. Good, very good. But not done yet, because we didn't write the program for dragon yet, If you are done, let me know. Everyone done? Everyone done? Always the same student saying done. I'm afraid. Bunny, Ilalam, Heidi, Johnson, Kritakon, Michelle. Saad, Ziyi, Ruth Zabadia, Vifat, Samuel. Today Samuel is very quiet, so it's very weird. Is everything okay, Samuel?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, you can follow, eh?
Yes.
Okay, good. Shami still not feeling well? Is it Shami still not feeling well, guys?
Miss, Shami's Microsoft team, something happened to his Microsoft team, Miss.
Oh.
Suddenly his teams all already like delete, Miss.
Huh?
The class all.
Try to check in the calendar. Try
Yeah,
ask.
the calendar is okay, Miss. The teams are not working, Miss, for him.
But I'm calling him. You can ask him to answer my call from the class because I'm calling from the class. So just ask him to join from that calling. Okay. Then let's we proceed, guys. Guys, if you have anything like having a problem, okay, kindly message me, but of course, if you like, you just ask me to sign your attendance because you have the internet connection issue, I cannot give. As I explained, I know everyone already know, okay, how we work, especially when we have our EWA last time, okay, when I explained that if you have like internet connection problem, you can watch the recording, right? So, but if you say that, if you just inform me, I have internet connection problem, sign my attendance. Of course, cannot. You won't get any attendance for free. Okay, so please, eh? I don't know whether you notice or not, guys, as well. Okay, in the Moodle, question has been uploaded, your individual. Today during the lecture class, I will explain about your individual assignment. I'm sorry about the late, okay, late uploading because waiting for, okay, my colleague to, okay, my team to verify the questions. So that's why, okay. So let's we go here. When green flag click dragon, okay, we use the same controller. We use the same controller. Okay, if you want to make them walk or run automatically without you use your mouse, later on, after we finish, you already get the output. You want to change using the motion of glide or using a go to random position until they touch each other. It's up to you. It's up to you. Okay, it's up to you for you to make them go everywhere, anywhere. Okay, but now I show you the manual way. So as in the dyno, we set the dyno health to 5. As for the dragon, we set the dragon health to 0. Because dragon health will increase. So no need to insert any value. Just insert 0. Okay. Since we use forever, so dragon also need to use forever. Then we use if else statement. And then we say if touching dino. Okay. If touching dino, we will change dragon health by 1. No need to put +1. When you put dragon health by 1, automatically the program know that they must increase by 1. So 0, touching, +1, it become 1. The dragon health become 1. So no need to put +1. Otherwise, Okay, if they didn't touch, Dragon will say, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Mean to hurt you. Dragon is actually acting. Actually acting. Okay. Typo. Meat. Because I'm cooking for my breakfast. Okay, mean. Okay. Then you run. Okay, so since because they don't touch, they always will appear this. I'm sorry, didn't mean to hurt you. So what you can do? Touch.
Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!
Touch.
Ouch! Ouch!
When you
Ouch!
touch, it become game over.
Ouch! Ouch!
You
Ouch!
didn't touch. I'm sorry, didn't mean to hurt you. But this dino keep saying game over, I'm dead, game over, I'm dead, because we have the forever looping. So if you want to push them, stop. Go to control, scroll down a little bit, you have this stop all, you stop. They will stop. Okay? They will stop. They will stop. Everything will stop, including dragon. So you push them to stop. Even though you use infinite loop, okay? Even though you use the infinite loop, but you still can push them to stop. Rifat, Rifat, can you help me okay, convey this message to Shami? Is it he opened from the browser or from the apps itself?
Ma'am, he tried both ways. It's not working.
Both also. Browser also cannot. Ask him to log in using a browser.
All right, ma'am.
For the apps, okay, for the apps, maybe he need to uninstall and install again.
All right.
Okay, ask him to do something like that. Okay.
All right, ma'am. Thanks.
Ask him to, or maybe you can ask him to like this. I will share my okay, my team screen. Okay, here we go. Okay, so when you, okay, if you look here, okay, this is actually it's not the team screen. Okay, I need to share my whole screen. Okay, so here, when you go to your teams, you can right click and you can quit, not sign out, quit and try to open again. It's like something like you restarting your Microsoft team. Because sometimes it happened as well to me. They say that we run into problem. Please try a few minutes after this, something like that. So try the first one, quit the Microsoft team, and then the second one. If cannot, you can ask him to try log in using a browser. Okay.
All right.
Or maybe uninstall and install again the apps, because I think recently I think recently they update the Microsoft Teams.
All right, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. See, Shami can use using a browser. See. Yes. Last time as well, I having an issue where my start recording button menu doesn't show, doesn't appear. Then suddenly I need to Log in using browser, then start the recording, then it will appear on my apps. Okay, so try. Okay, Shami. Okay, other student, did you get the output?
Ma'am, can you show me the dragon's code? I missed a bit.
Okay, can. Done. Yeah, good, Ziyan and Chen Hao. You get the output, right? Very good.
Miss, can I take a look at the Dino script once more?
Huh?
Can I take a look at the Dino script just a second?
Yeah, can. For those who always forget about the link of our snap, you can make them as a bookmark. Okay, put a bookmark. So when you put a bookmark, they will be appear here. I have a lot of bookmark here, especially when I used to find any idea for the tutorial and everything. Okay, for the lecture. So any example. So guys, you can use a bookmark. If you are done, let me know, guys. Let me know if you are done. Shahmi, done. Since you just joined the class, are you done, Shahmi? Shahmi? Shahmi Nabil? Done. Okay, both Okay, so now I want you to save the file. Save the file. Okay, save the file. Make sure to save, better save in the cloud. Okay, you can save the file in the cloud. Lab3. Okay, variable. We just save it as a lab3 variable. Okay, done. So once you save, open a new one. Okay. Okay. Let me know if we can proceed. If you're done saving your work and we can proceed, let me know. Just let me know. Okay. Okay. Open a new one. Okay. Open a new one. Okay, open the new one, empty one. So this time around, yes, we delete our sprite because we want to paint our new sprite. So we will paint 3 different sprites. Okay, we will paint 3 different sprites along with we will draw our own background. So what is our second tutorial all about? So the second tutorial is about stopwatch. Everyone have the stopwatch, okay, inside your handphone. Okay, inside your handphone, on your handphone, when you go to the clock. If I'm not mistaken, if you go to the clock, you will have the stopwatch. Okay, you will have the stopwatch. You also have the you also have the start button, stop button, and you can also have the reset button. Okay, so using a variable, we will create our own stopwatch. So let me start. Okay, let we start. First stage, go to background, edit, paint a new costume. So I will have a background. Any background, guys? Any background that you like using the fill region or fill tools? Then this is my background. You can create any color. Okay, you can create any color. So on the background itself, I want to have a column for hours, minutes, and second. So I will draw a rectangle, square or rectangle with a light color, a bright color. So I will use this color. So I will draw. If you don't want like this, okay, this shape, you can choose. Okay, you can choose the fill rectangle. Okay, you can choose the fill rectangle like this. Oh. Okay, you can choose the fill rectangle. If you want to use circle also can. Okay, if you want to use rectangle also can. You also can use shift. If you want to draw a nice square, you can use shift. But okay, if you don't want, you can just draw like that. Okay, so this is our stage or background. Okay, so this is our new background. Our new background. So you draw. Okay, done. Done, guys. Done, So can we proceed? I cannot hear you guys. Can we proceed?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Can proceed. Okay, let's go. We proceed. Okay, so now we create our own sprite. We don't use the sprite that we had, okay, because we want to create a button sprite. The button sprite will be start, stop, and reset button sprite. So go to this brush, paint a new sprite. Okay, the first button. Okay, I will draw using a fill ellipse. Okay, but I need to say something to you guys. This is not like BYOB or Scratch. Okay, this is not like BYOB or Scratch, because we don't have the text tool. So we are the one need to draw, okay, the text. So that's why, okay, choose wisely, okay, your so big, okay. So I will make something like this. Okay, this is my first button. This is my first button. Undo first. Okay, this is my first button. So using a brush, okay, using a brush. So I will make the brush size smaller a little bit. Okay, I will use a color. So I will name, okay, I will draw. Okay, so we need to do carefully, guys. Okay, we don't have a text tool here. I didn't find the text tool, so we use this. Okay, it's okay. Why today my clear first lah? Okay. Today my drawing is not nice. Last Monday my drawing is my text was just nice, but today my text don't want work with me. Okay. Okay. Line tools. We don't have text tools, so we need to use brush. Okay. Then we choose color. If you guys found out where is the text tool, you can tell me, guys. Okay, let me know. Today my mouse doesn't want to work with me. Okay. Okay, so this is the first part. We can resize them because it's too big. So we can set the size. Okay, we can set the size to 50. Okay, you can bring whenever you want to put, you can bring. So I'll put here start. Okay, I'll put start. Then I will have a new sprite, paint a new sprite. So do the same thing for stop and reset. Okay, do the same thing for stop and reset. So you can use a square, okay, rectangle tools. If you don't want to use an ellipse, you don't have to use ellipse. You can use square. Okay. Stop much more easier. I will reduce the size. Okay, and I will paint a new one. So of course, okay, I will paint a new one. We can paint a new one. So this time around, if you have a stylus pen, okay, so you can use a stylus pen. My stylus pen already broken. I need to buy a new one. So maybe I'm waiting for them to restock. Okay, I'm waiting for them to restock the stylus pen because I want to buy a new set of drawing tablet. Okay, so here we go. Okay, then we resize them. Okay, then we put here. Okay, done. I will wait for you to finish the drawing. If you have done, just let me know. Okay, if you have done, let me know, guys. Do not keep quiet. Done. Done, Who is not done yet? Drawing the sprite.
I'm
Right.
done, Miss.
Okay. Raise up your hand if you don't still need time and not finished yet. Raise up your hand. Who's still doing the sprite? Creating the sprite? No, Okay. I assume no lah because there is no response. Okay. So let me proceed now, guys. Okay. So now we name all the sprite. Follow the sprite name lah. Okay, following the sprite name. Okay, reset. Okay, we rename them to reset. Okay. Stop. We rename them to stop. Easy, eh? Using the name is very easy because we didn't use green flag or whatsoever. Okay, but we use the sprite click. When we click the sprite, then they will start. So using a name, okay, changing the name is a good thing. Okay. Okay. So now go to reset. We do the easiest part first. Means the easiest code first. First of all, create a variable, 3 variables, hour, minute, and second. Okay, global variable because everyone, okay, all the sprite will use it. Stop didn't use that, but start and reset will use it. So hour for all sprite. Okay, minute for all sprite, okay, and second for all sprite. Done. Okay. Done.
Done, Miss.
Okay, good.
Done, Miss.
Done. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, done, eh? So we go to reset. But before we go to reset, we put our variable into the specific column here. So, but before that, right click on your variable, choose large, okay, or large without. Okay, so large, and then put hour here. Okay, minutes, large, put minutes here. And second, large, put second here. So they will run from the column here. So right click and choose large. Not normal, not slider. Slider means you can slide, but we use large. So if in BYOB, the name will be large without. Okay. Done.
Yeah, yes, done, Miss.
Okay, so in the reset, go to control, choose when I'm click. Okay, choose when I'm click. So it's not press, it's not drop, it's not mouse enter or mouse depart or scroll up, scroll down, stop. But when I'm click, when you click the reset, okay, then you will set the hour to 0, set minutes to 0 because you reset everything, okay, and set second to 0. That's all in the reset button. Okay.
Yes, done, miss.
Done, miss.
Done. Okay, done. So go to stop. Same when I'm click. But it will be a very shorter script. Stop all. They will stop everything. Stop all. They will stop everything. That's all for stop button. That's all with stop button.
And I click.
Done, miss.
Done, eh? No lah, I'm laughing because I heard some of you unmute yourself, but talking maybe to your family members. Okay. Okay, so now, okay. So now go to start. The same thing you use when I'm click, but this time around, it will be a long code because you want to start the stopwatch. So the second, minutes, hour will start running. But of course, it comes from second first. So we say forever. Forever, they will play until we'll click button stop. If we click button reset, they just reset, but they still continue play the stopwatch. Okay, so forever. We'll wait 1 second because I want to see the difference, to see the numbers. Okay, change from 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, something like that. And I will play a sound like poop, 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 something like that. So we go to sound, go to the file sound. Okay, we have this pop sound. So just choose the pop sound. Okay, just choose the pop sound. And then go to sound, play sound. Pop. And then change second by 1. Okay, so if you want to see whether it's working or not, you can click start button. They are running. When you click stop, they will stop. When you click reset, they will reset. So that's mean your first code are working properly. So you already create one simple stopwatch application. Okay. Clear? We continue, eh? So now we say, if seconds equals to 59, then second will change to 0 and the minutes will start, okay, change into 1 minute. Then they will start again second until 59, then it become 2 minutes. And then they start again second, 0 until 59, and then they repeat again, repeat until minutes equals to 59 and second equals to 59, then the hours change to 1. But of course, during our tutorial class, we cannot see the changings of hours to 1, as if we wait, it will take until our lecture class. So you guys can see the hours changes to 1 by yourself. But we will look into the second, the minutes change into 1 by second. But of course, we have the whole program, the whole script. Okay, so I will have 2 if statement. Okay, 2 if statement. One is to check if the minutes equals to 59 and, so I will bring and second equals to 59. Okay, so I will bring here, put here. Okay, so we go to our variable, so minutes and second. So we say it's 59. Okay. So we wait 1 second and we change the hour to, or by 1. Okay, change hour by 1 and we reset again our minutes and second to 0 because they will start again. Okay, they will start again. And the second one, we say if second equals to 59. Okay, we bring the variable if seconds equals to 59. Then we will change minute. Okay, we will change minute by 1 and we set second to 0. Okay, so when you click start, they will start. Okay, they will start until 59. They will change minute to 1. So you can see the output, guys.
Miss, don't you need to put the wait 1 second for the second if?
Yeah. Thank you for reminding me. So, but we can see here, if we didn't put 1 second, they will automatically become 1. There is no wait. After 59, then they will change to 1. We can see. Thank you. Okay. They're still working actually. Okay, they're still working. So you can have the 1 second. Okay, wait 1 second, or if you don't want, you also don't have to put the wait 1 second for the minutes, because it's still working. But if you want to put, you can put. Okay. Okay. They will only wait for 1 second before they add. Okay, they change to the minutes to the second minutes or 1 minute, the 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So they will continue. When you click stop, they will stop. But when you click reset, they will just reset, but they will still running because we say forever. So you must click stop. Okay, you must click stop and then click reset. Clear, guys? Who get the output? Look at the output, guys. Okay, good. Very good, Ilalam. Others? Did you get the output, guys?
Yes, miss.
Is it working? Is it working, guys?
Yes, miss. It's working.
Ah. Let we stop lah, Okay. Okay. So what you have learned today from the 2 tutorial? What you have learned from the 2 tutorial? What you have learned? What you have learned, guys? How to make timer? You learn that? You learn how to make timer using what? Using what? You learn how to make timer using? Using what? Using variable, using if condition, using the variables. Good, good. Simple coding. This is not a simple coding, guys. Okay. Yes. Let's wait one. You can add the millisecond. So you need another variable. So you must know the millisecond is okay. If the second must equals to 59, so the minutes will change by 1. Okay, so minutes must change to 59 and second must change to 59, then the hour become 1. So how about millisecond? Millisecond must equals to how, okay, what is the value so that we can change the second into 1. Say, so can with 1, can. You can have it. So it will be like, you will be more, having more condition, especially in your hours, because the millisecond must change, okay, second must change, sorry, it must meet the millisecond, second, and the minutes, so the hours will change. So while the minutes, they must meet the millisecond and second. So can wait one. You can try. You already try? You already try wait one? Not yet. Huh? Oh yes, but not yet finished. Okay, you can try. Okay, you can try. It's good things, guys. It's a good thing that you want to try. Okay, because sometimes we are not getting from the lesson during the tutorial itself only. Okay, you guys can change. Okay, based on your own like maybe you want to see, if I add on the millisecond, what will happen? So you can try. Okay. Okay, no problem. Done, guys. Okay. Wave 1, did you get the output when you try to change? Did you get the output? Shami Nabil, is your error okay now? Okay. So is it working, wave 1? When you create millisecond, is it working? Lagi. Is it because of the wait 1 second? Maybe you already see, guys, when I didn't put the wait 1 second for changing from second to minutes, it doesn't affect anything. Maybe you can reduce, reduce the waiting period. Okay, reduce the waiting period. Done. Done, guys. Everyone done? You can change wave 1. You can change the one that I mentioned just now. Okay. Saad, are you done? Done, Okay. Okay. So, when I asked you guys just now what you have learned today, you said that you learned about the variables, okay? Okay, how to create the stopwatch, okay? Some of you learn about the if conditions, okay? Okay, so from these two tutorials, we can see that using a variable, okay, we can do a lot of things and we can use, okay, we can use the value inside the variable again and again and again because it will be stored inside the variable. If we didn't reset the variables, okay, the variable values, it will remain the values inside the next. When we run again, they will, okay, they will still continue. See, they will still continue from the previous value. That's why we have the reset. Because in BYOB, Snap, or Scratch, it was different compared to other programming language. If other programming language, one, you close, okay, you didn't do anything. Once you close, they will start again the value, okay. But as in BYOB, Snap, or Scratch, okay, you save the file, you save the file. So you say it's a lab 3 stopwatch, okay, and you save. Even though you already save, and then you say that you create a new one, and then you open again, Okay, you open lab 3 stopwatch. Okay, they will remain here the value. They will remain here the value. So they will just continue from the previous value. That's why we have the reset button. It's different, guys. It's different when, okay, in other programming language. In other programming language, we don't have this. Once we close, we save, we close that, okay, the interface, the application. When we open again, we need to start from 0. That is different. So why we need a reset? Because sometimes we don't want to continue the value. That's why we always put the reset. Okay? Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Any questions? Any question, guys? We stop and we reset, eh? Any questions? No. Everything clear, guys? Is everything clear, guys? Huh? Hey, the pop sound is not a okay? It's not like a song like a kid song, eh? Okay. When I heard the pop sound, I feel irritated. Okay, I didn't feel sleepy at all. Why you can feel? Why you can feel? Yes, correct. Correct, Zian. We can change to Xiaomi shouting. Okay. Oh, no need, no need, no need. You don't have to wait until hours, guys. You don't have to wait until hours. Okay. Okay. So if you don't have any questions, okay. Okay. Okay, if you don't have any questions, let me stop the recording. I will give you